Hey guys, it's Alice. Today I'm going to show you how to use your Stündenglass Kompact Gravity Infuser. First, locate your serial number on the back of the box and register your product at stündenglass.com/register. Included inside your compact travel case is an instruction manual, a glass and aluminum infuser with 2 globes, 2 upstems, 1 percolator, and a mouthpiece already assembled. You'll also find a tray, a magnetic hose connector, a 14mm male-to-male adapter, glass liner, aluminum bowl with silicone heat guard, and silicone hose with attached wand and mouthpiece. Also included in your travel case is a cleaning and maintenance kit, which comes with 1 Allen key, extra O-rings, cleaning wipes, microfiber cloth, pipe cleaners, cleaning brushes, and an additional percolator. To get started, spin off the top globe and fill with water through the body into the bottom globe, up to the lip. Next, reattach the top globe and make 1 full rotation toward yourself to ensure all seals are secure. There are 3 different upstem percolation options with your compact. Using the out-of-the-box configuration, 1 percolator is attached while the other is removed to provide optimum filtration airflow. For additional water filtration, attach the second percolator to the upstem. For maximum airflow, both percolators can be removed from the upstems by spinning them off. Next, thread the male-to-male adapter into the tray with the lip of the tray facing up. Then, place the male-to-male adapter and the tray into the 14mm opening on the compact. Then, add your aluminum bowl. Optionally, the included glass liner fits into the aluminum bowl. Next, attach the magnetic hose connector to the mouthpiece and plug in the hose. Enjoy your compact gravity infuser.